This is a really great place to work. I feel empowered. I feel like it's a great group of people. It's a phenomenal team to be on. We sort of have this expression here that you want to get, some runway and some air cover, and I feel like that I really have both. And there's mentors all around me, both people that I work for and people that are just on our team that we connect with all the time. So I feel really, really fortunate to be in a company where I can really just be myself and enjoy the people around me and get a lot of good work done. Everyone's a mentor, and I think that having an open environment where people are willing to teach each other and open to learn from each other is, really what community is all about, and that's what we do so well here at Lithium, not just for our customers, but really also for ourselves. And being able to tap into that amount of knowledge and really that level of experience in a place where it's not such an enormous company that you don't have access to everybody. So, really wanting to take advantage of that and really enjoy an experience like that makes coming to work, not the regular ho-hum 9 to 5. Well, we're in the social space, and there's a lot of sharing that's part of social media, whether it's sharing ideas or sharing knowledge or just brainstorming. And I think that sort of open environment that really is social media is certainly part of the culture here at Lithium. And I also think that because people have come from different places, and also some people have been here for a really long time, that it's kind of nice that you get some new perspectives sometimes, you get some people with some experience that you can also work with, and just the whole concept of sharing in social media is so pervasive that it definitely has permeated in the culture here. And I think that just the willingness to step outside of your department and check out what other folks are doing and be willing for other folks to see what you're doing and see how you can sort of help each other and tap into each other's projects is really an opportunity that you probably don't get in every organization. The thing I like best about working here is absolutely the people. It's a great team. Everybody is very willing to share not just their experiences, their ideas, their knowledge, but also best practices and great customer stories and all the things that we really need to get our own work done, but also take that information and share it with other people on the team, and really in a place that's fun. You look around here and we do have table tennis, and we do have snacks and sodas all the time, and we do have happy hours, and we do have a game room, and yeah, it's a little sort of Silicon Valley classic startup, but that really does make it a fun environment. And if you come here at 6 o'clock at night, you're gonna see some people hanging out talking, or you're gonna see some people playing ping pong. You might even see some brainstorming going on, trying to get extra projects done. And so there's no question that the type of environment that's here, the type of culture that's here is, I think, really unique, because we've got engineers that are focused in their own way, and salespeople focused in their own way, and operations and marketing and all the stuff that you really need to just make a really vibrant company. And we have that here, and we have it with a lot of room to grow. So it's really exciting time to not just work here and be a part of the team, but also you have an opportunity to leave your stamp and make something your own at a place like this, that other people are really sort of rooting you on and available to help and available to share ideas, and it's a great environment for collaboration. Lithium is in a really unique position. There's all sorts of buzzwords out there about what's happening in social media, whether it's CRM or cloud or SaaS space or even just social media itself. And what I think is pretty incredible is that Lithium sits right in the middle of all 4 of those areas. And these are the things that investors care about. These are the things that is going to help us fuel our business. These are the things that, 5, 10 years from now, it's going to be even more important that we were able to take those 4 things and mold them into something that's really useful in the business space. So when you look at the opportunities that are out there, here we are, a small company, we're on this rocket ship, and we've got all this in front of us. We've got all this opportunity in the market space. We've got all this potential with our current employees and the knowledge that we have here, and all of the different spaces in the Silicon Valley that are really being talked about the most are really our core capabilities. People talk about big data, we make sense of it. People talk about scaling social media. We've got a repeatable and scalable model for doing that. These are tough business problems to solve. To be able to point at a couple of those things and say, we can do this, we can do this, we can do this, should be really, really compelling for somebody that's looking for a new team, because it's not just, hey, we're this gigantic company, you've got your small role, you focus on that, and you go home at the end of the day. It's like, we're trying to do something big, and this is really an opportunity to get in, early, but a company that also has a lot of experience. You don't always get those opportunities with, in this time with a company like this, when everything is moving in the direction that we're going. And it's great to be in a position to actually be leading the way.